Yeah, hi everyone. In this video, we'll be learning what is the use of mid function in Tableau. So, mid function returns characters from middle of string specified starting at index position start. The index position is one of first character in string. The optional argument length provides last index position in string, and string includes only that number of characters. So, beginning with, we have imported NFL offensive player stats dataset using Microsoft Excel option because it is a .xlsx file. Now, we use 1999 to 2013 data sheet for our visualization. So, we drag it and drop it over the sheets area. Now, we move on to sheet number 1. We drag player dimension onto the rows shelf. We now create a calculated field with the name mid layer. We'll be using mid function here. Yeah, mid function we'll be using. And for the string part, we'll be using clear dimension. Yeah, for the start and the length portion, the starting would be from the third character and the ending would be the sixth character. Right. Now, mid clear dimension we'll be dragging and dropping over rows shelf. Yeah. So here we see the player, the third and the sixth character from third to the sixth characters of the string is being displayed in the mid character field, and same has been followed for all the data in the player dimension. Now we change the title of the visualization. Mid function. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.